Camila and I'm from Brazil. When I first decided to come to the US, one of my biggest concerns was finding the right school. Because I wasn't only looking to learn English, of course, that I can do there. I was looking for a school that would introduce me to the American culture. And Harvest did that. I was so scared when I first came to Harvest, I didn't know what to expect. But then, when I came to the classroom, oh my God, it was so much fun. I made a lot of friends from all over the world. The process getting the visa was very easy and simple because the staff was very friendly and they were always prompt to help. The teachers, they were very fun. My teacher especially, she was amazing. Every Friday, it's free and we always do something different. Harvest has changed my life so many different ways. First of all, now I live in the US. I became a resident thanks to Harvest and the English, of course. I'm so thankful to Harvest. It has changed my life for good.